Welcome back to Fresh Food Academy. In the last episode, our pet started leveling up, but today we are unlocking special powers. And yes, once our pet reaches a high enough level, it can use super abilities. Let's jump in. Now we're going to create new variables. You go to variables, create variable energy, then create variable power unlocked. Now we have two new variables. So let me just take this guy down here. Let me bring this guy here. So this way we have a clean interface. I think this should be able to fit in here properly. Yes. And then you have this guy. Now our interface is clean. Now that we have two new variables, in real games, powers need energy. So today our pet can just use powers anytime. Now click on we'll set the values of the variables, of the new variables we created. Now going to the pet sprites. Then we go to variables. I'm already there. Set energy to 5. And then set power unlock to 0. Now we have two new variables. So energy starts small and powers are unlocked at first. Now inside our forever loop, we are going to add if level. I just come down here and say events control rather. So say if level greater than or equals to, I know operator is what will give us greater than or equals to. So come to variables to pick level. If level greater than or equals to 3, set power unlocked to 1. Now, when our pet reaches level 3, powers unlock. Let's see, level 3. Okay, let's just stop the game. Let's start it again. So okay, so our power unlock did not change. We've leveled up to 3. Level 4 now, okay. Okay, now we have power unlocked 1. Okay, greater than or equals to 3. So 4 is now greater than 3, and that is why we have power unlocked 1. Okay, so that's worked. Now, I'm going to create power button, and to do that, we'll pick a new sprite. So I think we have lightning here. Yeah. Give it the power of Zeus. Okay. Let's see. I think we can reduce the size to 50. Okay. So now we've reduced the size. Now, the next thing I'm going to do now is in that sprite, I'm going to say when this sprite's clicked. No, not when I start as a clone. Oh, sorry, it is in events. So it should be when this sprite clicked. I pick control, pick forever, and pick if, then else, put it inside. And then not sense symbol operators, we should have and, yes, this guy. So put it inside here and say, if power unlocked equals to 1, So still in operators, I'm going to say if power unlocked equals to 1, where is equals to, okay, this is it. Okay. So go to variables and pick power unlocked equals to 1. And energy, go back to operators and pick energy greater than 0. Energy greater than 0. Then change energy by -1. Then go to looks and say, and pick rather, because I'm going to say super speed for 2 seconds. Say, and giving the dog super speed actually makes sense because your dog needs to be able to have enough speed to go to play fetch with you, or even race with you, or even go on a walk. So yes, giving it super speed makes total sense. Now I'm going to go to variables and say change happiness by 3. Else, say not enough energy for 2 seconds. So go to the looks and then say not enough energy for 2 seconds. So even superheroes need energy. So if we don't have energy, we can't use superpowers. Get that? Now in the pet sprites, inside that forever loop, I just go to the very top. So you already have wait 3 seconds. So instead of going to the very top, we'll come down here. You go to control, pick wait 1 second. So instead of 1, you say 4. And then change energy by 1. Now energy slowly recharges over time. This makes the game more realistic. And that is why we have wait 4 seconds, change energy by 1. Now I'm going to press the OK, so I'll reset this. Now you can see that we're in level 1. Click on the power button. Okay, not enough energy. So there's bits. Okay, now we have enough energy. If power unlocked equals to 0 and energy greater than 0, say change energy by it should not be. Now it's going to be so now you can see it's saying starving. Okay, our investor can start again. So you should have power unlocked soon. Let's think level 1. Level up, 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 level up. Okay, we've leveled up to level 10, but power now still 0. Once we get to 4, say super speed. Now you can see that we have our power unlocked. Now, your iPad doesn't just sit and play, it levels up, unlock powers, and manages energy. That's how real games creates progression and strategy. In the next episode, we're going to add challenges and maybe even a game over system. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode at Flourish Field Academy.